Galaxy Watch 4 comes with a lot of health features. You can track your activities and get a lot of information about those activities in the Samsung Health app. Samsung has really beefed it up. But what if you are not into exercising a lot? What if you have a lifestyle where exercise has no time? Does that mean your Galaxy Watch 4 is useless or is just there on your wrist to relay notifications from your phone? Absolutely not. You can use it to build healthy habits like drinking more water or doing breathing exercises. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do this. So summer is here and you might be living in a country that gets really warm. And in that case, it's a good idea to keep yourself hydrated. Do you know that on Galaxy Watch 4, you can track your water intake? Absolutely you can. So head over to the Samsung Health app on your Galaxy Watch 4 and then scroll down until you find this water option. Go in here and here you will see that you can tap on this plus button to add glasses of water that you're drinking, and if you just scroll down, you can also set target of the number of glasses you want to drink. You can increase or decrease the target and keep track of it. Now this habit can be helped along by the water widget that you can keep in the widget section. So it will stay there and it just straight away allows you to add the glasses of water that you've been drinking each day, and you can see this level rising every time you add a glass of water here. Next up, you can use Galaxy Watch 4 to track your stress. Now you can do this manually, but you can also set it up automatically so the watch does it for you in the background. You can also set this up in Samsung Health app by going in settings and then go in stress option and here set it to measure continuously. Once you will do that, the watch will work in the background to measure your stress levels. And when the watch detects that you're stressed, it will alert you. You can then go one step ahead and do some breathing exercises to relax yourself. You can increase or decrease the number of cycles. It will increase or decrease the number of time, and then you can just start. Once again, there is a stress widget as well that you can set up in the widgets section so you can access it very quickly. Moving on, maybe you have a lifestyle where you don't get a lot of active time. You're always sitting on your desk and work from home. In that case, your body does not get enough activity and the weight piles on. So what can you do about that? How can Galaxy Watch 4 help you with that? Well, you can turn on the inactivity alerts, and for that, go in Samsung Health app, go in settings and scroll all the way down where you will find inactive time alerts. Go in here, set the window where the watch will detect your inactivity alerts, and whenever you have been inactive for more than 50 minutes, the watch will alert you. And then you can get up and do some stretching or maybe walk around for a couple of minutes and then come back to your seat. This is also a very good way of keeping yourself active and your body healthy. You can select the time window here between which your watch will actively work to detect inactivity, and you can also select the days of the week that you want this tracker to be on. Next up, I want to talk about the heart health and how you can use Galaxy Watch 4 to help you with that. Well, there is a simple setting in Samsung Health app. We'll go in there and then go in settings once again, and the first thing you will see here is heart rate. Go in here and you can set it up to measure continuously, measure every 10 minutes while still, and manual only. If you want to keep a close eye on your heart rate and heart health, you can set it up to measure continuously, and if it detects that the heart rate is too high or too low, it will alert you, and in this way you can keep a close eye on your heart rate. Now if you scroll down, you can also see heart rate alert options. You can select high heart rate alert and low heart rate alert, but once again, this is just to keep yourself healthy and for wellness purposes. If you have serious heart conditions, just follow your doctor's advice. And finally, the last thing is auto activity detection. So you can make some changes to your lifestyle where you are taking the stairs instead of taking the lift, or when you're going to your work, you get off one stop earlier and start walking, and you don't have time to turn on the activity tracking on your watch. You can set up settings that your watch will detect these activities automatically for you, whether you are walking or running or even swimming. So go in settings in Samsung Health app and then go in auto detect workouts, turn it on, and then you can go in it and turn on for specific exercises like walking and running, elliptical trainer, rowing machine, swimming, and dynamic workout. So whenever you will start walking and the watch detects that you have been walking for 10 minutes or even running for 10 minutes, the watch will alert you that the activity is being detected for 10 minutes and gives you the option to start tracking it properly. So in this way, you can keep track of your activities without having to worry about turning them on manually. So that's about it from this video, guys. These are some of the features of Galaxy Watch 4 that you can use to keep yourself healthy and build positive habits. I hope this works well for you and you can get some use out of these features. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.